This is how I'm going to make chocolate frosting. So what I have here, I have a stick of unsalted butter that's about 8 tablespoons that I just slightly melted into the microwave for about like 45 seconds. I already melted in 3/4 cup of them. I'm going to be using milk chocolate chips. You can use any type of chocolate you want. You put dark, semi-sweet, or bittersweet if you want to, but it is up to you. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Try to use pure vanilla extract, so do not use imitation one. I'm going to cream this together first. So I'm going to be stirring in with some powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and then I'm going to keep going with that. Just to make sure to scraping the bowl on the sides occasionally. So let's do for the 2nd cup of the sugar, powdered sugar. Okay, so I think that's about 2 cups of powdered sugar. That'll be enough for that. Just keep scraping down in the bowl. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon, then 2, and 3, which makes 1 teaspoon of milk or heavy cream. And then we're going to keep going for this. Second tablespoons. That'd be 1, 2, 3, which makes 6 teaspoons. Right, that looks perfect. You can see has been nice and pale, really light. And just scraping down on the bowl, on the sides, and just like that. And for last but not least, a 1/4 cup of natural unsweetened cocoa. Okay, that looks good. You just keep scraping the bowl from the sides and the bottom. Gotta use a rubber spatula. We're almost done for this one. And there you have it. You can frost with the chocolate cake, with the devil's food cake, either whatever kind you want for it. Or you can also decorate with some sugar cookie if you want to. And there you have it. Homemade chocolate frosting.